ਇੱਕ ਓਂਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਜੁਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ। God is everywhere and in everyone. He is truth, immortal, creator without fear, without enmity, unborn, and self created. This understanding comes by the Guru's grace. Unit 1, with Guru's grace, we are uh, starting Unit 1, some basic concept of chemistry, Part 2 by Amrik Singh, PGT, Chemistry. Atomic mass. Atomic mass of an element is the number of times an atom of element is heavier than 1 upon 12th the mass of an atom of C12। तो किसी भी एटम का जो मास है, एटम किसका होता है? एलिमेंट का। दैट विल बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स एटम इज हैवियर देन 1 अपॉन 12th मास ऑफ C12। कार्बन 12th के 12th पोर्शन से कोई भी एटम कितने गुना भारी है, वही उसका एटॉमिक मास है। तो नोट करने के लिए कुछ बातें ध्यान में रखनी है। एटॉमिक मास यूनिट is defined as the mass exactly equal to 1/12th mass of one carbon 12 atom. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. Mass of an atom of hydrogen is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. In terms of AMU, mass of hydrogen atom is 1.0080 AMU. Similarly, the mass of oxygen 16 atom would be 15.995 AMU. Today, AMU has been replaced by U, which is known as unified mass. When we use atomic masses of element in calculation, we actually use average atomic masses. Now, average atomic mass. What is average atomic mass? Many natural occurring elements exist as more than one isotope. When we take into account the existence of these isotopes and their relative abundance, percentage occurrence, John Dalton, the average atomic mass of that element can be calculated, computed. For example, carbon has the following three isotopes with relative abundance and masses as shown against each of them. Okay, we have the table. We have isotope, relative atomic mass, sorry, first is abundance and then the mass. Carbon 12, okay, abundance is 98.89%, mass is 12. Carbon 13, abundance is 1.108 and 13, mass is 13.00335. Carbon 14, abundance is very less, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 10, okay, and abundance is 14.00317. From the above data, the average atomic mass of carbon will come out to be. Just multiply the relative abundance with the mass, okay, in AMU, and plus all these three. Okay, we will get the average atomic mass, that will be 12.011. Okay, suppose we have a sample in which all these three isotopes are present, then how can we use C12? We will have to take the average of all these three, only then we can use the calculations. uh, we have some homework from NCERT textbook. Question number 1, isotope is given, natural abundance is given, molar mass is given, then we will have to calculate the average atomic mass. Okay, just multiply natural abundance with molar mass for 35 and 37 isotope and plus these two, and we will get the average atomic mass. One more question is there for argon. The isotopes of argon are given, their abundance as well as isotopic molar mass is also given. Same method can be used to calculate the average atomic mass in question number 2 also. Gram atomic mass. Atomic mass expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram. Note, gram atomic mass should not be confused with the mass of one atom. It is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Remember. Now, molecular mass. Again, molecular mass of a substance is the number of times a molecule of the substance is heavier than 1 upon 12th mass of an atom of C12. Here the term, in the previous case we had atomic mass. Now here we have molecular mass. But just we have to substitute the atom with molecule. Okay, molecular mass क्या होता है? Same with the comparison with atomic mass, it is the number of time a molecule is heavier than 1 upon 12th mass of C12 से कितने गुना भारी है कोई मॉलिक्यूल कार्बन के C12 के 12th पोर्शन से कितने गुना भारी है, उसी को बोलते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर मास. मॉलिक्यूलर मास इज द सम ऑफ एटॉमिक masses of the element present in a molecule. It is obtained by multiplying the atomic masses of each element by the number of its atoms and adding them together. तो सिंपली मॉलिक्यूलर मास को हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं एटम के मास को प्लस कर लीजिए, जैसे कि एग्जांपल में दिखाया गया है. तो हमने सबसे पहले करना है मीथेन का. मीथेन में कार्बन का कितना होता है 12.011 प्लस हाइड्रोजन का कितना होता है 1.008 और प्लस कितने टाइम है हाइड्रोजन 4 टाइम से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो कितना हो गया 16.043 यू. मॉलिक्यूलर मास सिमिलरली वाटर का भी कैलकुलेट हम कर सकते हैं. तो होमवर्क है कैलकुलेट द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ ग्लूकोज C6H12O6, वाटर CO2 एंड CH4. मॉलिक्यूलर मास कैलकुलेट करने हैं. ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास. एटॉमिक मास एक्सप्रेस्ड इन ग्राम इज कॉल्ड ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास. ठीक है जी. मॉलिक्यूलर मास, सॉरी एटॉमिक यहाँ पे गलत टाइप हो गया, एटॉमिक की जगह आ जाएगा मॉलिक्यूलर मास एक्सप्रेस्ड इन ग्राम्स इज कॉल्ड ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास. Gram molecular mass of water is 18 gram. Gram molecular mass should not be confused with the mass of one molecule. Again, it is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Now, formula mass. For ionic compound, we don't use the term molecular mass because for ionic compound, when these are dissolved, the molecule doesn't exist. They break down. For example, NaCl, when put it in water, it breaks down into Na positive and Cl negative. Therefore, for covalent compound, the term molecular mass is used, and for ionic compound, the term formula mass is used. Some substances such as sodium chloride do not contain discrete molecule as their constituent units. In such compound, positive sodium and negative chloride entities are arranged in three-dimensional structure. The formula such as NaCl used to calculate the formula mass instead of molecular mass, as in the solid state sodium chloride does not exist in a single entity. Thus, formula mass of sodium chloride, atomic mass of sodium, atomic mass of chlorine, that will be equal to 58.5 U. Thank you for attending the lecture. Be at home, be safe. Thank you.